What's going on, man? This is if you was just in the last stream, you already saw what just what's happening, bro. Um, I'm trying to just kind of get the stream thing right. This how I look. This how I chill. This how I am. So we passed that part. Let's get back to Clajama. But like I was saying in the last video, I don't work home before. I don't work from home before. They want to see you on camera. Is he working? Is he doing? Is this AI? Nah, man. And I got commentary, so um, I normally try to watch other people's YouTube videos while I'm doing my video, but I don't be staying focused, man. This is where we at right now, so I want to make sure. Trying to figure out where we just left off. This is what Clajama looks like on the inside. We cannot get into Clajama right now because we fixed the issue here. This is redundant. We go to the dashboard and you see two things of projects. We went to fix that. Did a npm not npm run rebuild, npm run build, and it broke the user interface. Then we went to fix the user interface. It caused another issue. At this point in time, oh man, I done restarted the video. Let me show you. This site was built using the Clajama technology. Clajama is a combination of LLMs. It's a combination of open source software like AderChat. AderChat is really, uh, AderChat is me. So while I'm sitting here, dozing off, lazy, the thing that's actually operating in the background that I'm using to build the software off of is AderChat. I do use Gemini. I do use. I spend a good money with Claude. Claude is expensive. I gotta find a place for Claude. But DeepSeek is my baby. DeepSeek is my DeepSeek and AderChat as a AderChat as a wrapper is outstanding and amazing. It's outstanding and amazing. What I'm doing is Clajama is my personal web studio. So before I started recording this video, as I say we, because if you see this, it's us sitting here, blah blah blah. That's what I was doing, building sites by hand, doing them at low prices. I already had built chatbots. Chatterbot was out before OpenAI had released. Anywho, and we were using, what was it, corpus data. Anyways. Clajama is my personal tool that I need to serve customers. It's built for me. It's built because like I build people's websites. People call me and say, "Can you fix this?" People call me and say, "Can you do that?" People call me and say, "How much is a website?" People call me and say, "Hey, how much is a newsletter? How much is doing these documents? How much is doing?" Clajama is where you can be your own. You could run your own web agency, but provide the tool for the customer to use. And that sounds just like Replit. What is it? Bolt.new. I've seen so many now. They're popping out of everywhere now. Um, but the whole point is, what is it that I'm replacing? Me, I don't want to write blogs for people anymore. I don't want to even use AI to generate blogs for people anymore. The AI is doing so much of the stuff that really outside of the digital world, it's a one-on-one connection. Hey, what are you trying to do? Oh, okay. Well, instead of me telling a customer, for example, a customer goes, "Hey, I need a logo." Well, I'm going to charge you what I want to charge you. I'm going to charge you what I want to charge you to do it. But if you go click this link and do that, they don't want to do that. Most people don't want to do that. Most people who are starting a business, and it doesn't matter whether it's 2026, it doesn't matter whether it's 3059, there's a new person born all the time. And people are like, well, these kids grew up with iPads and there's still the group of kids that outnumber the group of kids who did have the iPad. Like there's gonna always be this shifting need. So even if you was like, for example, how do you drive to be a part of a gold rush and don't have a pickaxe? Out of all the information you got, nobody told you, hey man, there's gold up there. You need a pickaxe. Like nobody said that. That's not how like the masses work. The masses work off the foam of information. The people who create profit or business, because even in every society there you need a market. You need currency in motion. You need it. Because people need a reason to do something, and then they need a reason to not do something. That's the only way it works. It's the only way it works in this society with multiple rulers. So the way I look at it is, and I forgot what I was saying. Oh, my bad. Let me rewind. The ruler is multiple people, multiple different ways of doing the same thing. Yeah, so it doesn't matter how much technology advances, everybody's not gonna have it. They're not gonna have it. I want Clajama to be something that was for me when I was 18 years old. And yeah, I'm not even. Ooh, oh my god, I should have made that video, because I don't even want to bring it up. I said I'm not going to talk about the sabotage. I'm not going to talk about the sabotage. Again, my daughter might wake up. I gotta go. We still got a 502 error. We got to get up in here. Pause. Hit Q. Why are we having? Let's actually FN 12. Again, I am very lazy. You do need to know that if you're watching this video, if you are in any way, shape, form, or fashion looking at anything that I am doing, yes, I am extremely lazy. Yes. In a good way, though. Select all. We'll copy them. Why are we having issues logging in? Now, you know what? For me, it's probably my fault, too. I probably need to add the app date. Actually, I'm not even going to think. Yes, I'm very lazy. If I was having issues logging into the application after making these changes, what files would you need to resolve the issue? Please use the add command format. Guys, I'm very lazy, but I'm doing a lot of work. I don't that's one thing that's one thing I've always done. I do a lot of work. Like look how lazy I am. Look. Get to work. I'm already. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. What are you doing now? Well, now I gotta, since the AI messed up, I have to fix the AI's issue. That sounds complicated. Yeah, I'm gonna copy it into a text document, do a find and replace, so I replace the parts I don't need. And occasionally the AI will attempt to do an additional /add command, and so I will replace that as well. And once I do that, the add command will be put in its proper place. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back into the system and we're going to clear out the data that's there by dropping the active files and doing a re-clear. Then we're going to add them in and confirm that they're actually in, because that matters most. And sometimes we have issues with doing add commands because the spaces between the file locations eventually um, does become subject to the epitome of. Hold on, I think that's my phone. Must have woke up. Hold on, 1 second. 1 second. All right, so yeah, we gotta go get the baby. Before I forget, before I forget, this is why. This is the only reason I can't just hop up and go do it right now, because if I forget, we could be derailed. See, so yeah, we are having 502 errors. Um, and also the back end refuses to do as. Oh, see, I can't just get up right now. See, if I forget, we spent all this time getting to the answer. We spent all this time getting to the answer. If I lose it, we get derailed. Let me see. What happened to everything else? Get on in there. No, what are you doing, Felicia? No. And this is how time stands in the way. Uh, don't tell me that one little. We are having 502 errors attempting to log in. And we'll take this. Again, I owe this to myself attempting to log in. The back end refuses to start. We are not able to do it even after restart. I know it probably may seem like, dude, go get the baby. We have to put this in here. We have to. All right, and I'm getting up right now. Like, how long did that take? Maybe 5 minutes? I'm telling you, I'm doing the best that can be done. Obviously, we got camera got to go off. As minor maybe on camera. I don't want the AI learning my baby. All right, folks. All right, yeah. So like I said, babies may cry, but I gotta read. Missing imports and dependencies in the off manager is a potential issue. The login user method uses a mix of sync and async operations, which could cause blocks, and database connection handling might not be thread safe. Um, is there anything else we can eat? Yeah, we got lasagna. No, we got lasagna and cheese, and it's got tomato sauce. You is there anything else you want? Huh? You want an apple? Um, I think apple is in the lasagna. To be honest with you, it's got a sweet taste to it. I don't even think this is gonna work. And somebody just texted me. It's 1:44, 2 o'clock. I don't have any invoices, so I do have one invoice I need to do. Well, I need to send the invoice. I didn't take any money from the person, but I need to send the invoice. But I don't think we're on the same page about how it works. So we still can't log in. Test the back in 502. And just to say we did it, we need to. Why do I have to keep typing this in? Oh yeah. Yeah, so we still get a 502. F12. I gotta be in a browser I don't like. We should be able to. Hey, it says auth model, select all. See, in my other computer, I'd be able to know for sure I got all that. I don't know with this one. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Oh my god. It's supposed. Oh my god. Oh my god. I gotta save them. Oh, that's pool water. I don't even remember what it was. It was Clajama log or something. Yeah, something. All right, let's grab all that. That was a long way around. Firefox would have just gave it to me. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be leaving Google Chrome at this moment. Please fasten your seatbelts as we'll be going into Firefox. We will continue to do Google-based activities inside of Google Chrome. However, Firefox will be our browser of choice moving forward. And I could be wrong. We're gonna try to log in here. All right, so we do still have a 502 error. What matters here is whether or not we can easily get these logs. Yes, copy all messages. All right, so it wasn't me. It wasn't me. Sure. I currently drive through the path. All right, so this baby's gonna start crying a little while because I got some lasagna in the oven, and it's busting, as the kids say. Is that how they say it, Elodie? Bussin'. What is it? Ooh, look, we're in the house now. Unless. I just want to be sure. We still got some fake data in here, but it looks like the community is cleared out. Looks like the community is showing real documents, unless the database isn't active, which will be why we can't log in. So what's gonna happen here now is we're gonna just let it do its thing. As I said before, yeah, please feel free to donate. Uh, is that how you say it? No, man, give me some money, man. I think that's the way. I don't know. Look at this, bro has had a QR code. I don't know how long I've been. I mean, which is again, it's not anybody's thing, but it's just like, you know, you hit your community after a while. But it's just it's just funny. Yes, we need coins. I had to pull a Hail Mary. Just so I don't have to even pay for no more coins. Cause I was like, I mean I was bit and piecing it. Because it isn't that expensive. But it's kinda just like it kinda, you know what, I kinda feel like from a real perspective it is more like if it's something people want, then it should have something free. If it's something that you provide something free and it gets abused, no, it should be free. And I think that's excellent business. 404 not found. We got a database initialization successful. Let's check that. Authentication not implemented yet. We might have got hit with a fake statement from front end database. Application startup is completed. Okay, so what we finna do right now, man, I can't wait till that lasagna get out. I'm finna eat it. Yeah, I'm gonna eat it. What's up, baby? Hair getting so long, you like a little peacock now. Actually, my bad. You like a baby bird. And then I had to be careful because there's one person that. What you say to me? Copy all messages. So we're gonna hit a C. It's gonna say, yeah, we're gonna add that to the chat. No, you can't do that. Yeah, you can run that one. And then we're gonna give you all of that. The estimated chat contacts of 86,585 tokens exceeds the 65,536. They really just be trying to help you make sure you're not burning through tokens. I can't believe how's authentication not implemented yet. That sounds like madness to me. What it sounds like is because we're putting in the community module. Nope. Let me see. Multi-tenant community instructions. We didn't actually execute these instructions. Yes, we didn't execute. She's on my side. It says right here, I see the issue. The backend is running responding to requests, but the API has login and pointer as a tenant place have responses. This because it's being used instead of the real. Who told you to make a simple I just wanted to make sure. I'm gonna let it finish. I do want to check and make sure that I didn't tell YouTube this was for kids, because I'm finna cuss this AI out real quick. And it doesn't mean I like to use profanity on people. It just means I know what this AI needs to hear. And then what I want to do too before I do that, hey, did you implement a simple off in your instructions? And then you got to realize this. That's why I keep track. I haven't implemented any of this multi-tenant community stuff that I got from dealing with Gemini. Here is the search and replacement. Actually, I realized there might be another issue. There's also a simple API health endpoint at the end. Looking at the search and replace block, you know what? So this is what we're finna do right here. We're gonna stop that. I need you to identify every simple integration of a more complex um, module or import within our code that would cause the data or method or function to not reach its actual final destination due to testing placeholders. I think that's what we need to. Oh man, this battery died so fast. Logan, hey, go get the charger for me from downstairs. I gotta watch this fat baby. Which one? The one I just took down there. That's my fault, but she gonna start crying if I get up. Isn't that right, fat baby? Is it that right, fat baby? You wanna watch some? I don't know if you want to watch me on YouTube, but I just put on some kid shows. This computer I got is garbage. Just for the record, I'm using a computer that's so trash the back falling out. My other one is good though, but this one's more powerful. Thanks, Logan. You just saved our broadcast. Ladies and gentlemen, Logan, for bringing the charger over. Some Robux. Man, let's see what them grades look like your first week of being in school. Let's see what they look like. I'm not paying for a crash out. Hey, Logan. I'll give you $1 in Robux. I need my mouse from downstairs. Nah, man. Most people make money every 2 weeks, bro. You trying to get an instant payment, bro. I'm trying to life lessons, bro. Life lessons.
Ellie.
Life lessons.
We smell little baby Fury.
ate lasagna. We have logged in finally. All right, so we're officially logged in. My lasagna has just completed. We got some things going on with loading data. Let's see what we get. Copy all messages. Come back over here. But he seems to be stuck. D, C, D, C, 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 D, C, D. Yeah, so I guess he just went into an endless loop. All right. So as you know, I must see you in a moment to protect the ABI keys, as the ABI keys are the soul of the network. No one comes through the gateway without the key. Yeah, it's a little bit better when I'm streaming. I mean, there's plenty of noise in the background. This noise is all get out. Don't remember what we did last time. Boom, boom, boom. So what I'm gonna do is see if I can find the last add command. I'm gonna combine that with the new add command I got. All right, so we'll hit that one, this one, and then from there, we need to go back over here, copy all messages, hop back up in here, tap that one, jab that one, skip all of that. Oh, wait. Oh man. What you want, baby? We got lasagna. One of those toys went up there under the couch. All right, so we got that one. This one. We need to grab. I need to go get my mouse. Copy. Yeah, this is the one where we put the trash. Do the cleanup. What we don't want is it to say Clajama local place all. So we'll dump this in here next. All right, we gotta leave in a little. Oh, was it 10, 16? We got a good little minute. All right, let me get this lasagna real quick, sweetie.
Just a few more words, bro. Let's explain. Let's get this out there.
Here we are. Here we are, folks. We came a long way to get this lasagna. We started from the bottom, now we're here. All right. Oh. Oh, can we get a close up on this lasagna right here? Oh, we're not live. Okay, okay. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh. How hot is it? It's. I give you some lasagna in just a second, baby. It's so hot I can't even eat it. You understand? Yeah. Okay. Super hot. Ooh. Can't even look at that cheese. Look at that cheese. I tell you, gotta hang on a second. It's so hot right now. I can't even. If I. Hold on 1 second. Even this is too hot. It's too hot. Why are you pulling on my string? Oh. I got you, grab a hand. Here. Is it still too hot? Let me put you some noodles out. Oh, that lasagna's good. That lasagna. Yeah, that lasagna. Alright, let me cut you up some pieces for you. Really good, right? I got you some noodles this time. Good. Make you want to slap your mama. Oh, that's really good. All right, we're taking a legitimate lunch break at this moment. I don't know why I'm still streaming. It's so good. I didn't think it was. No. I don't even know why I just tried to do that. It's nerdy ASMR. Alright. So let's back out of here. Let's get him out of there. Let's tap it again. Alright, we can still sign in. There's a delay on loading the interface. We gotta figure that part out. More? I hope you don't want any more. It's so good. So what we want to do? I'm not really sure what some of this is. So to get a better understanding, what we will do is come down here and exhibit through the dichotomy. Oh, I'm pretty sure I didn't keep a copy of that. Pretty sure. And then just gotta double click. Alright. Why are you spitting the food out? You will not get any more. How dare you? How dare you? Come on, somebody. Your hands together. How dare you spit that food out? On the local state, so I need to make sure. Yeah. What we gonna do? This might crisscross us over, but we gonna hand. Oh man, I did the wrong thing. No, I didn't. I said I was gonna give them that output. I was gonna take this output. Y'all got a lot going on. I had to cut the mic. Oh, we not even online. We're streaming.